Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and it's been a while since I uploaded a video. So today we're going to be installing rear camber arms on the Tesla Model Y. So supposedly these camber arms are compatible with any drivetrain of a Tesla Model Y, and I assume Model 3, right? I could be wrong, but at the same time, Model 3 and the Model Y do share the same suspension components, so you guys are able to swap out any components, technically suspension components, with the Model 3 and Model Y. So we're gonna go ahead and install these. So if you guys are wondering why I'm installing these camber arms, it's because I want to reduce the camber in the rear, since this is a rear wheel drive, and it's perfect for power distribution wise when you launch the car. Having negative camber helps increase the capability of cornering properly, even efficiently, right? And also for you guys that are into stance or car show or fitment wise, having negative camber, this can push out to at least -3, -4 camber. So more camber the better for fitment wise, for stance and all that. But if you guys want to reduce that, this is also a way to go too. Right? So yeah, let's get right into installing these. Yeah, I busted my knuckle. Oh man, that shit was so painful. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, you guys can see it dropping my blood right there. But yeah, this side's on and it looks pretty good. This is actually very simple to install. Let me show you guys what you guys need to do. Okay, we're on the passenger side. So in order to install this camber arm, you really don't have to disconnect anything but the camber arm, which is this one. So you disconnect it from here, and then you disconnect it from here. Now this method isn't really the best, but I'm doing based off of my own personal tool sets. So yeah, I got the bubble thingy right here. Okay. we are back from the alignment shop, and they calibrated everything to the standards I want, or the calibrations of the degree of camber and everything like that, how I want it. So if you guys look previously, this was when I was eyeballing. So this is the rear. So I was at negative 0.1 camber, and this one was positive 0.1 camber. So this side had more positive camber than this one. Again, I was eyeballing it with just hand adjustment. There's no specific tool I was using, and I took it to an alignment shop. I told them to put it close to at least -1 in the rear, and this side was able to, and this one was just 0.1 off. No issues whatsoever. That doesn't bother me. If it was like 0.5, then yeah, that would be a huge issue right there. But overall, the front camber is -6 on the left side, and then -1.5 on the right side. So this is actually pretty good for track use and performance use. That's actually good. This is actually decent for daily use, right? So more so if you guys want to do like hardcore track use, then you have to go at least like a -1.8 to -2, and this one will be a -1.8. You know, do your research on that, on what specific alignment that you guys want for track use. So by far, this is actually how I like it. It looks pretty good. And the shop that I went to is called Pop's Tire Shop. I'll link the description down below. If you guys are located within Northern California, you guys can stop by, say hi, what's up, get some service done. They're really cool people. I really do appreciate the fact that they took their time and basically talked to me. I was like, hey, I want this to be done. They're willing to work with you on what specific standards that you guys want for your vehicle. So when I was at the alignment shop, one of the technicians, he's one of the owners of the alignment shop. He used to work for Tesla. I'm not sure as a technician whatsoever. He told me there's a secret specific area that you could adjust the steering wheel after an alignment, so it could configure with the alignment that is already set. To start off, it's in the service mode. Enter. And then you can test the balance on how the steering wheel is, and you can reset it. So I believe it was in chassis. Oh yeah, there you go. Alignment. So when I was driving, the steering wheel, when going straight, as the vehicle was going straight, I had to lean the steering wheel to the right a little bit. So once you reach to this category, right? So what you're gonna do, since it is leaning towards the left, for me, it's leaning towards the left. I'm gonna tilt the steering wheel, or rotate the steering wheel a little bit to the right, just like that, about 0.2, so you can stay straight. And then I'm gonna say clear applicated offset. Press that, and then press run, and then that's pretty much set. So basically it's in the green, so it's already been reset. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This install is super simple with the right tools, and hopefully you guys have the time to do it. And then after that, get an alignment, and then on top of that, just learning how to readjust your steering wheel to the configurations of your alignment is super easy and super simple. So if you guys do have any other questions, feel free to comment down below or message me on Instagram regarding of, you know, the install, the software and everything, because I was doing a little bit of research on it as well, but it worked out. So again, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to comment down below. Peace.